Hey guys, Alex is here, and welcome to my brand new interactive Russian course for beginners. Before we begin, I will recommend that you interact with the exercise, so if you happen to be falling behind, it's fine. Just pause the video and continue watching once you've thought out the answer. Alright, let's begin. So, the word for it in Russian in many cases is это, and to say it is, you don't have to add anything. There's no am, is, are in the present tense in Russian. Convenient, right? So to say I am, you would just say I, which is я in Russian. You are, ты, which is you. It is, это. The word for normal is нормально. So how would you say it's normal? Это нормально. Not in Russian is не. So it's not normal. Это ненормально. To say interesting, we say интересно. How would you say it's interesting? Это интересно. The word for important is важно. It's not important. Это не важно. For me is для меня. It's for me. Это для меня. It's not for me. Это не для меня. Do you remember how to say interesting? Интересно. It's not interesting for me. Это не интересно для меня. Today in Russian is сегодня. It's normal today. Это нормально сегодня. Remember how to say important? Важно. It's important for me. Это важно для меня. What was the word for today? Сегодня. Today it's not important. Сегодня это не важно. But unfortunately, it's not that simple. Нормально, интересно, важно are short form adjectives. The word это always requires the neuter short form of adjectives unless there is a noun that this adjective describes. So what do we do if there's a noun in a sentence? How do we build a long adjective? Well, it's actually quite simple. We take our short adjective, take away the ending, and hook on one of the three endings depending on what gender your noun is. So for masculine nouns, the ending is going to be ый, нормальный. For feminine nouns, а я, нормальная. And for neuter ones, оє, нормальная. The word for something is что-то, and it's neuter. So to say it's something interesting, we're going to use that neuter ending. Это что-то интересное. Remember the word for important? Важно. It's something important for me. Это что-то важное для меня. It's normal for me. Это нормально для меня. Impossible in Russian is невозможно. It's impossible. Это невозможно. What was the word for something? Что-то. It's something impossible. Это что-то невозможное. The pronoun he is on in Russian. And of course, it's masculine. He is interesting. Remember our little scheme? Он интересный. She is она. And it's feminine. So how do you say she's important? Back to our scheme. You got it. Она важная. The word for beautiful or handsome is красиво. She's beautiful. Она красивая. He's handsome. Он красивый. The word for now is сейчас. And impossible? Невозможно. Now it's impossible. Сейчас это невозможно. Today is сегодня in Russian. It's impossible today. Это невозможно сегодня. Nothing is ничего. You will often find this word accompanied by the word не, because unlike in English, double negatives are correct in Russian. It doesn't really sound right in English, but in Russian it sounds great. So how would you say nothing is interesting? Ничего не интересно. Remember how to say for me? Для меня. Nothing is interesting for me. Ничего не интересно для меня. What was the word for today? Сегодня. The word for day is день, and it's masculine. And the word for important? Важно. So how do you say today is an important day? And by the way, there are no articles in Russian. In case you're wondering what they are, they're those little words like a, and, the. So the president of the USA turns into президент США. Back to our phrase. Today is an important day. Сегодня важный день. Today is an important day for me. Сегодня важный день для меня. Perfect, ideal. Идеально. It's perfect. Это идеально. Like this or like that are the same in Russian. Вот так. So how do you say it's like this? Это вот так. This phrase is a little special. You will often drop the word это and even switch up the word order, as in our next example. It's perfect like this. You could say это идеально вот так, but it sounds more natural if you simply say вот так идеально. What was the word for now again? Сейчас. Now it's perfect like this. Russian is a pretty flexible language when it comes to the word order, so in this case you could actually say сейчас идеально вот так, or сейчас вот так идеально, or вот так идеально сейчас, or even вот так сейчас идеально. So don't be afraid to play around with words. You will feel more and more confident as your feel for the language grows. Very and really can both be translated to очень in Russian. And, unlike in English, you can totally use it with verbs. I very love Russian sounds awkward in English, but я очень люблю русский sounds perfect. Important. Важно. It's very important for me. Это очень важно для меня. Today. Сегодня. Day. День. Today is a very important day for me. Сегодня очень важный день для меня. The word for good is хорошо. It's good. Это хорошо. It's not good. Это нехорошо. Very. Очень. It's very good like this. Это очень хорошо вот так. Or, to make it a little more natural, вот так очень хорошо. Great in Russian is отлично. It's great for me. Это отлично для меня. It's great like this. Вот так отлично. The word for here is здесь. And it's another one of those words that require special treatment. In this phrase, здесь отлично sounds better. Remember the word for something? Что-то. It's something very important. Это что-то очень важное. For me. Для меня. It's for me. Это для меня. Is it for me? Good news, guys, there's no inversion in Russian, which means when you ask a question, you simply raise the tone of your voice. Это для меня? Today is an important day. Сегодня важный день. Is today an important day? Сегодня важный день. Is it important? Это важно? Is it something important? Это что-то важное? And that's all I have for you guys. Like this video if it was helpful and tell your friends about me. I think this course can potentially help a lot of people to improve their Russian. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. If you want to support me, the links are in the description, along with a PDF file that includes all the words that we've gone through today. I made it for you. It's free, so go check it out. And now it's all. See you soon, everyone.